You ever hear that noise when you're trying to start your GE dishwasher? Well, so this is your door latch, and on this plastic dishwasher, what happens is this is up too high. So let me see if I can show it. So if I push down on this just a little bit, it'll line up and it'll work fine. Hard to do with one hand. But yeah, there's the problem right there. Brand new dishwasher and the door sits too low. It doesn't leak or anything. I think the door is actually exactly where it should be. This piece here needs to go into that latch, and it's just right below it, and it won't quite hit. So how to fix? You can take, I suggest using a piece of wood. I just got a piece of folded up cardboard right here. I'm going to slide this in, and it's just enough to push this down. And yes, in case you're wondering, this would normally be all the way up, but it still did it. Even when you adjust the feet of the dishwasher up so that this is up to the top, you still may need just a small little wedge right here to keep this down low enough so when it closes, it's high enough to actually latch. So hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.